So today we are taking one question from quadratic equations where a right angle triangle is given to you. Okay, a right angle triangle is given to you, and that triangle is the question. Let me read out the question. The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 3 root 10 centimeter. So if a right angle triangle is given to you, right? Let us say this is the right angle triangle. Okay, I think it's visible to you, and the hypotenuse is 3 root 10 centimeter. Okay, the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle is 3 root 10 centimeter. Let me zoom a little. Yes, so this is 3 root 10 centimeter, right? So for this right angle triangle, let me read out the question. Hypotenuse is given 3 root 10 if the smaller leg is tripled and the longer leg doubled. So let us say if this is the right angle triangle with a 90-degree over here and the smaller leg is x, right? Then the longer leg will be how much? If we are considering one of the base or perpendicular as smaller, then the other will be the longer one, right? So here we can see that if this is x, then definitely the length of this part, the perpendicular, can be easily calculated by applying the Pythagoras. And from the Pythagoras we know that hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So this can be by Pythagoras. I'm just writing by Pythagoras theorem, right? What we can say, we can say that this, by Pythagoras we can say that the length of this perpendicular is root over of 3 root 10 whole square minus x square, right? Minus x square, right? So, or which can be written as 3 square will be 9 into 10 root 10 square is 10, 9 into 10 90 minus x square. So root over of 90 minus x square is the length of the longer side, right? What we have assumed this as, let x a smaller side, right? If x will be the smaller side, therefore root over of 90 minus x square is the longer side, right? I'm just saying for the two sides, right? One is base is smaller and the perpendicular is the longer side, right? Now it has been asked that if the smaller leg is tripled, a smaller leg is tripled, that means 3 times, right? If the smaller leg is tripled and the longer leg is doubled, that means if this is multiplied by 3, right, and this longer leg is multiplied by 2, right, then what will be the hypotenuse? Just mind it, this is multiplied by 3 and this is multiplied by 2, right? Then the new hypotenuse will be 9 root 5 centimeter. Then new hypotenuse will be 9 root 5 centimeter. Just apply the Pythagoras. Then for the new triangle, for the new right angle triangle, if this is the new right angle triangle, right, then this is 9 root 5, this is 9 root 5, right? If this is 9 root 5, the smaller one will be 3x and the longer is made 2 times. That means it will be 2 times root over of 90 minus x square, right? 90 minus x square. I hope you got it, right? Now just for this triangle, just apply the Pythagoras. This is the angle of 90-degree. If you apply the Pythagoras over here into this triangle, the new triangle, then what will happen? Just by Pythagoras we can see that hypotenuse square, that is 9 root 5 whole square, will be equal to 3x whole square plus 2 times root over 90 minus x square. It's given 2 times root over 90 minus x square whole square, right? So let me read out the question. The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 3 root 10 if the smaller leg is tripled, a smaller leg is x is tripled, you can see, and the longer leg is doubled. Then the new hypotenuse will be 9 root 5. So just when this new triangle is formed, we apply the Pythagoras again and just solve it again. Solve it. When you solve it simply, let me squeeze a little. Then 9 square will be 81, 81 into 5, 540. Root 5 will be 5 and 9 square will be 81. 81 into 5 will be 515, 540. 405 will be into the LHS, and into the RHS we have 9x square, right? Plus 2 square will be 4, and root 90 minus x square, when it will be squared, root will be eliminated, right? And this will give you 405 is equal to 9x square plus 360 minus 4x square. This will give you, when 360 will be subtracted into the, by pushing it into the LHS, then 360, it will be 45 into the LHS will be equal to 9x square minus 4x square will be 5x square, right? 5 will divide 45 in 9 times. So this will give you the x square as 9. If x square is 9, then definitely the value of, when you take the root, the value of x will be plus 3 or minus 3. So the length cannot be negative. So length of one of this side will be plus 3. So one of the smaller side is calculated, that is plus 3. So this is equal to 3 centimeter. This is calculated. If this is calculated, what is the length of the longer side? This will be root over of 90 minus x square. So this is the smaller side, or we can say base, or a smaller side, right? Now when you just find the longer side, hi boo, hello, I'm professor. Yeah, I'm trying to just help you. Actually, it's my passion, dear. Okay, hope you understood. For any query, you can just put up it with the comment box and be connected, dear friend. So this is the smaller side, and for the bigger one, root over 90 minus x square, right? So the perpendicular, this side I'm saying this one, the perpendicular, right? This is the bigger one or the longer one, and whose length is equal to nothing but root over 90 minus x square. Just put up the value over here. Root over of 90 minus x square. X square is nothing but 3 square. 3 square is 9. So 90 minus 9 will be giving you root over of 81, and root over 81 is nothing but 9. So 9 centimeter is the length of this perpendicular. This is 9, this is 9, and this is 3, right? So in this way we have solved this question, students. So our answers with us are, one side is x equal to 3 and another side is 9, right? So this you can see 3 and 9, right? So thank you so much for watching, students. Be connected. Hello boo, see you my friend. Take care. Bye bye. Be connected.